Okay, guys, it's Friday morning. I'm just doing a little short video. I got the first seal coat on our table yesterday afternoon, and I got up this morning. I have sanded it, and I wanted to point out a couple things. If you can see, we're in my shop at the house. Like right in here, how it's not filling. The additional coats will start to fill that up. And as you can possibly see in this shadow, I have buffed it just very lightly with a 220 sandpaper, getting ready for the second coat. One other thing that I would mention to you is when I put this on, I try to keep it right here on this surface and don't let it run too much over the edges, but it does run along the edges. You can see it here. Specifically on these ends, it will tend to flow over and create drips along here. My advice is to sand that really well, because it only gets worse and worse, and the edges are very hard. But as you can see on both ends, I have sanded pretty heavily to get any kind of drips out of it. And we will put another coat on this morning, and I will show you. You can see some of these voids that aren't filling in here. We'll start to fill those up, and it'll get thicker and thicker. So hopefully this helps. Thanks.